Hi, good day. My name is Stefan Glor. I'm working and has worked for Oracle, and I want quickly represent what I have done during my employment at Oracle. So throughout this time, I was working as a UI development engineering. Were using TypeScript for our coding. Then we used Visual Studio Code as a development environment, and mainly we used the Preact framework for the development of the components, of functional components. So we did not use class components, we did use functional components for building our UI application. Our UI application was running in the Oracle Cloud, native cloud, and the full stack looks like this. So on top we had these Preact functional components, which were executing our UI side, and then down the stack we had Spring Boot for accessing backend and Hibernate for persistence as a persistence framework, and then basically autonomous database from Oracle, which was used for storing data. So this was our full stack. Now go on to the development itself. We were using GitLab for checking our code, checking our projects, and also we were using GitLab for running our pipelines, which contains of course building the code, parsing the code, applying coding rules, formatting rules, and then finally also for building a Kubernetes cluster compatible container, which was then deployed to the Kubernetes environment where all these processes were running as microservices. When up and running, the project was available through internal addresses and could also be accessed as a user for the UI side, or also for the database, we have made it accessible through SQL Developer. When the services were up and running, their data was synchronized between different Oracle databases in different regions via Golden Gate. So finally, this was part of the whole Opera Cloud Oracle Hospitality suite, which is a web application which is mainly used by bigger properties or even chains of properties, and used as a hotel and management system, which contains all the whole workflow for operative hotel processes, which is, for example, booking, reserving, maintaining a reservation, canceling a reservation, charging a reservation, creating an invoice, and also finally creating reports over all reservations, which are used by the staff of the hotel. So that's me. Thank you for listening. My name is Stefan Glor. I was working as Senior Application Software Engineer for the Oracle Corporation until October 2025. Cheers.